Hey there friends, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I've got a fantastic productivity tip to share with you. We're going to dive into Gmail and I show you how to create and manage email templates for lightning fast email composition. To start off, open your Gmail inbox. Now click on the gear icon at the top right corner. That's where all the Gmail magic happens. Once you've clicked the gear icon, select See All Settings. This is where we'll set up those awesome email templates. Now you'll see a few tabs at the top. Click on Advanced. So it is where the email template wizardry begins. And then scroll down a bit and you can find templates. And then click to enable it. Now you're unlocking the power of pre-made emails. Time to create your first template. Compose an email like you usually would, but this time before you hit send, click on the three vertical dots at the bottom right corner of the composition window. So before that, let's save this first, save changes. And then let's try composing email. So just like what I've said earlier, we need to compose an email, and then before we hit send, click on the three vertical dots at the bottom right corner of the composition window. So we'll create now a sample email. Then let's try here. Here's the templates, and then choose template and save draft as template. Here. So once you save draft as template, you've just created your first email template. So whenever you're composing an email, click on the same three dots, add the templates, and choose the template you want. Your email will pop up, ready to go, and then just make any necessary tweaks and hit send. And that's it. You've learned how to create and manage email templates for super fast email composition in Gmail. Say goodbye to repetitive typing and hello to efficiency. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching this tutorial on email templates in Gmail. See you on my next video.